Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to activate iMessage and FaceTime with phone number. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open Settings. Now tap Name, Phone Number, and Email. Tap Edit. Now tap Add Email or Phone Number. Tap Add a Phone Number. After adding your phone number, tap Next, collect the code, paste it here. After that, your phone number will be added to your iPhone. Now switch to the number from Apple ID for iMessage and FaceTime. Tap iMessages. Now select your phone number from your Apple ID. Do the same process for FaceTime. Go back, open FaceTime. Now select your phone number. So guys, that's how to activate iMessage and FaceTime with your phone number. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.